Hello student, I am Mrs. Harsha Jope from Praveen Patel Polytechnic, Bhayandar. Today we are going to study chapter 3, Overview of Transformation, last topic. Learning outcomes of this videos are, after watching this video, you will be able to know about types of projection. What do you mean by projection? Then types of projection, that are the perspective projection and parallel projection. First of all, we will see what do you mean by projection. In simple words, transforming 3D points into 2D is called projection. It can be also said as projection transform 3D objects onto a 2D plane like screen, canvas or paper. Projection is the process of representing a 3D object onto a 2D screen. It is basically a mapping of any point P, x, y, z to its image P, x dash, y dash, z dash onto a plane called as a projection plane. The projection transformation can be classified into two categories: parallel projection and perspective projection. First, we will see perspective projection. In perspective projection, the distance from the center of projection to project plane is finite and the size of the object varies inversely with distance, which looks more realistic. In this diagram, you can see the distance and angles are not preserved and parallel lines do not remain parallel. Instead, they all converge at a single point called center of projection or projection reference point. It is clearly explained in this figure. Okay, this is the diagram for perspective projection. What is the perspective projection? Here the distance from the center of projection to projection plane is finite. Okay, finite means it is a countable. This is the center of projection and this is the projection plane, and this particular distance is countable, finite, and the size of the object varies inversely with distance, which looks more realistic. Okay, this is your perspective projection and the distance and angles are not preserved. In this, the distance and angles are not preserved and parallel lines do not remain parallel. Instead, they converge at the center of a projection. Here, all the lines, the parallel lines are converge at means they will meet at a particular point, and it is called as the center of projection. That's about your perspective projection. There are three types of this projection, which are 1 point, 2 point and 3 point. In 1 point, one principal axis cut by projection plane. Okay. In 2 point, two principal axis cut by projection plane, and in 3 point, three principal axis cut by projection plane. Here you can see this is your 1 point. Here this is a 2 point and this is a 3 point. These are the types of perspective projection. The next is your parallel projection. What is the parallel projection? In parallel projection, the lines of projection are parallel. Okay. Both in reality and in the projection plane. Parallel projection discards z coordinate and parallel lines from each vertex on the object are extended until they intersect the view plane. In parallel projection, we specify direction of projection instead of center of projection. It is categorized as top projection, front projection and side projection. Okay. This is the top projection, this is the front projection, and this is the side projection. If you are standing here, then this is the front projection, side projection, and top projection. What is the oblique projection? The projection direction is not a normal one to the plane. It gives a better view and it is categorized as cavalier projection and cabinet projection. Here you can see the oblique projection in the direction of projection is not perpendicular to projection plane, or you can say it is not normal to the plane. It gives better view. This is the cavalier projection and this is the cabinet projection. Thank you for watching this video.